When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job. And when they write to tell us they're impressed, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoy this fantastic review. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. And that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and anyone who reads 5-star reviews is wise because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star service. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to make you happy too. We're thrilled you have the chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.